In this video, I will show you how to get a job at Qatar Airways. So first of all, open up any browser and then just fill in Qatar Airways. And then after that, fill in jobs. And once you do that, you will see this option all the way at the top saying Qatar Airways careers. And you need to click on this for that. Once you land on this page, you need to scroll down and there you will see that you can specify your job search criteria and then click on search for jobs to actually find the jobs. So you can enter your location in here, and let's say you want to work in New York. Then we're going to select New York JFK in here, and then we just click on search for jobs, and then you will find everything that is available at this airport. So we have an HR manager, airport service agent, and if you're interested in one of the available jobs, they're going to click on that job, and then you will see all of the information about this job. So we have a description in here. It's listed what we need to do. You can also see when this job is posted and when it's going to be unposted. So take a careful look about everything that you need to do, any qualifications that you need to have. And if you're interested, go ahead and click on apply online. After that, you need to accept the privacy agreement. So once you have done that, you need to log into an account. And if you do not have an account yet, then you need to create an account and then just click on new user in here. And you can also apply with your LinkedIn. So when you click on apply with LinkedIn in here, you will automatically make a link with your LinkedIn. And this is also a way to apply for a job. But you can also do it through new user. Then you just need to click on this and then just go through the process, fill in everything that you need to fill in, then click on register, and then you can apply for this job. And then be prepared that you need to fill in stuff like your CV, your resume, and motivation letters and personal information. And after you have processed your application, it will be reviewed and then you will know if you will get the job, yes or no. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing, and then I'll see you in the next one.